Let's talk about how I made my first $1 million. There's a lot of get-rich-quick schemes out there, but for me, that wasn't the reality. Hard work and dedication is a core principle to how I made my first million. So let's break it down. First, I had a full-time job. Believe it or not, I was a store manager at Target, or Target as some people call it. I was making about $250,000 a year between salary, bonus, and stock options. 2, I was a savvy saver. I had long-term investments, 401k, and also diversified index funds that I was investing in, which is creating a great return over time. Number 2, I had diversified investments, 401k, stock options, and I was investing in the market on a monthly basis, which was creating a great return. Number 3, I was investing in flipping real estate. So while I was working a full-time job and investing in the stock market, I was also flipping houses at the same time. Number 4, and most importantly, was the small business that I started, which is my real estate sales business today. In my prime year, very first year that I sold a tremendous amount of real estate, I made $500,000 in income from selling real estate while working a full-time job, flipping houses, and investing. And finally, just general equity growth in my real estate portfolio, which was actually a very small amount compared to the other income streams that I had. In the end, there's a million ways to make $1 million. But in the end, what you really need to realize is you probably need more than one income stream to get there. So find your passion, work on your passion part-time while you have a great job that provides for your standard future.